The ultimate conversion-focused WordPress theme. In today's digital age, having a website is essential for any business or individual. However, not all websites are created equal, and having a visually appealing website is not enough to drive conversions. That's where Thrive Themes comes in, a conversion-focused WordPress theme that offers a range of tools and features to help you create high-converting websites. What is Thrive Themes? Thrive Themes is a suite of conversion-focused WordPress themes and plugins that are designed to help website owners increase conversions, generate more leads, and drive sales. Founded in 2013, Thrive Themes has quickly become a go-to solution for businesses and bloggers who want to take their websites to the next level. Thrive Themes offers a range of features and tools that are specifically designed to help you create high-converting websites. These include customizable landing pages, lead generation forms, A/B testing tools, and more. Thrive Themes also offers a range of plugins that can help you optimize your website for search engines, increase social shares, and improve site speed. Thrive Themes offers a range of features and tools to help you create a high-converting website. Some of the most notable features include landing page templates. Thrive Themes offers a range of customizable landing page templates that are designed to help you create high-converting landing pages quickly and easily. These templates are optimized for conversions and can be customized to suit your brand. Lead generation forms. Thrive Themes offers a range of lead generation forms that can help you capture leads and build your email list. These forms are customizable and can be integrated with your email marketing software. A/B testing tools. A/B testing is essential for optimizing your website for conversions. Thrive Themes offers built-in A/B testing tools that allow you to test different versions of your website to see which one performs better. Content Builder. Thrive Themes Content Builder is a drag-and-drop tool that allows you to create custom pages and posts quickly and easily. It includes a range of customizable elements, such as buttons, columns, and testimonials. Speed optimization. Thrive Themes offers a range of plugins that can help you optimize your website for speed, which is essential for improving user experience and search engine rankings. Conversion-focused. Thrive Themes is designed to help you create a high-converting website. Its features and tools are specifically tailored to increase conversions, generate more leads, and drive sales. Customizable. Thrive Themes offers a range of customizable templates and tools that allow you to create a website that reflects your brand and meets your unique needs. Easy to use. Thrive Themes is easy to use, even if you have no coding or design experience. Its content builder is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to create custom pages and posts quickly and easily. Affordable. Thrive Themes is an affordable solution for businesses and bloggers who want to create a high-converting website without breaking the bank. Its pricing plans are competitive and offer excellent value for money. Excellent support. Thrive Themes offers excellent support, including a knowledge base, community forum, and dedicated support team. You can also access a range of tutorials and resources to help you get the most out of the platform. If you're looking for a conversion-focused WordPress theme that offers a range of features and tools to help you create a high-converting website, then Thrive Themes is an excellent choice. Its customizable templates, lead generation forms, A/B testing tools, and content builder make it easy to create a website that reflects your brand and meets your unique needs. With its affordable pricing plans and excellent support, Thrive Themes. Thanks for watching.